This video is going to show how to efficiently resolve convergence errors in OrCAD PSpice. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice Designer. Select PSpice Run from the menu or the Run button on the toolbar. The simulation will throw a convergence error and the PSpice Runtime Settings window will be activated. Check Autoconverge. Click OK and resume simulation. The Simulation Messages window will appear. Select No to view the simulation results. View the results and close the simulation window. Automatic convergence can also be activated before the simulation is run. Select PSpice, Edit Simulation Profile from the menu. Select Options from the menu on the left. Select Analog Simulation Autoconverge. Check Autoconverge and click OK. This will activate automatic convergence for the active simulation. Select PSpice Run from the menu or the Run button on the toolbar. Select No when the Simulation Messages window appears. View the results. The simulation was completed successfully by activating Autoconverge from the start of the simulation. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.